National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 106, effective until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time Monday. This watch includes the following counties: in Missouri: Christian, Dade, Dallas, Greene, Lawrence, Polk, Stone, Taney, and Webster. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 106 has been issued from 10:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time Monday for the following counties: in Missouri: Christian, Dade, Dallas, Greene, Lawrence, Polk, Stone, Taney, and Webster. The current time